everyone, it's your friend Mystical Fire Master, and today I'm gonna be playing Beast Farm Simulator, and today we are gonna be trying to get the gifted bee. I'm gonna try my best. I haven't been, to be honest with you, I'm not getting the best of luck, but right now I'm trying to do the quests, and I have to collect 275,000 pollen from Pineapple Patch. So I'll come back to you guys when I'm all done with that quest. Guys, something weird happened to my computer. Oh my god. Sorry guys. What? Guys, I'll come back to you when my game starts working. Okay guys, it worked. Hopefully it doesn't happen again. I got pretty scared when it just did that. I did not like that at all. Like, not when I say at all, I don't like it at all. And why do I not have like? I messed up. Okay, guys, I'm just gonna put something on my character right here. I thought I bought this already. Okay. Okay. I could jump pretty high. That's what I like. Ooh, man. Oh, wow. Wow. It's pretty cool. I can, jump high. It's cool. Now I barely have any honey. Okay. Well, now trying to do a little bit of grinding here. I'll see you guys when I'm all done. Okay, guys, I'm not done with the pineapple patch quest yet, but this guy has quite a speak at the beast. Cool. So I'm not done with the quest yet, but I want to see if I can get another bee to level 6. Okay, Bucko. Doing my rage, yeah. Brave? My brave is kind of close. Looker. Okay, we'll get this one to the next level because, bro, I think I only have to get him like 1. Just a little bit off, like 6 more. Have it. Okay, so there we go, guys. We have 6 bees to level 6. Here, take all my blueberries. There. Have them all. Okay, I'll give these to my brave. And I'll give who should I give these to? I'll give them to my rage. Okay, okay, I'll give like 20 treats to my hasty. Well, let's actually do commander. Okay, 10 and 20. Okay. Okay, guys. So I got that out of the way. What do I have to do next for Mama Bear? Feed 25 sunflowers. I don't even have a little bit for sunflowers. might take a little while. I'll see you guys when I'm all done with the pineapple quest. Pineapple patch quest. That quest is gonna take a little while. Okay guys, I'm all done collecting 275,000 pollen from Pineapple Patch. So let's go give this to Black Bear, I think. I think Black Bear gave me this quest. Okay, let's go. Okay. Yeah, it is Black Bear. Okay, so here you go, Black Bear. Okay, I think this is my last quest. And then I get a diamond egg, I think. What is it? What? Quest of Legends. Collect 500,000 white pollen. Collect 500,000 red pollen. Collect 500,000 blue pollen. Excuse me? What? What? That's like 1,500,000 pollen I have to collect. Excuse me? What? This is not going to be a fun quest. This is not going to be a fun quest at all. Are you kidding me? We might have to do that in another video, guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, one of my quests is to defeat like 12 scorpions. So I think scorpions spawn here, right? Yeah. But what? That much pollen? It's crazy. I think I could get the red pollen and the blue pollen. I think I could finish that fast. White pollen? That's gonna take a little while, guys. If we could do it in this video, I'm actually gonna be pretty happy, guys. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, I want to try to get sunflower seeds. And I want to get 25. Guys, I'll come back to you when I get 25 sunflower seeds. It's going to take a while. Okay, guys. My backpack is full right now. And I only got in 5 sunflower seeds. And again, sunflower seeds are very hard to find, so I'm not surprised, but I really hope we don't have to do this for the whole video. Well, definitely not. I just hope that this doesn't take up half of the video. Well, it won't, because we've already gone by with 8 minutes, and the max I can do it is only 15 minutes. But yeah, so far, I'm not having that much of luck. I'll see you guys when my backpack is full again. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 20. If I said 20, I meant 19. 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, guys. Finally! That took around 20 or 30 minutes. Oh my god, it took forever. Okay, I think my basic bee loves sunflower. My demo. I think my demo bee loves sunflower seeds, so I swear, if it says it doesn't, I'm actually gonna rage because this took so long. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Yes, and it even got into level 6. Oh, 1,250? Man, that took a long time. Here, have my pineapples. Ooh. Okay, here, have my pineapples. Oh my gosh, I got that to level 6 too. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I finally did that. I think I can give the thing to Mother Bear now, right? Yep. Mother Bear. I cannot imagine what the next quest is gonna be like. Okay. This better give me a lot. I mean, I'll take it. I'll take it. I can't complain. Okay. Where's he beat to level 7? Oh my god. Give pineapples. But 250 trees? Oh my god. Okay, I have 87. I'll give 87. I'll be fine with that. Which bee should I give it to? Let's give it to one of my bees that are at level 6. I should look at the names more often. Okay, let's see. Okay, I'll give them. I think I'll give them to my Frosty Bee. Yeah, Frosty Bee. Yeah, Frosty Bee. Okay, I'm not even close. Oh my gosh, that's gonna take a little while. And I don't have any pineapples because I gave all of them to my basic bee. Oh, I should have claimed the quest. Okay, let's look at my quest, the legend. Okay, I have a lot of white pollen. Okay, guys, I think that should be it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys liked the video, hit that like button. And if you guys are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you guys in the next video.